Okay, I want to introduce a new piece of technology into our repertoire here at CI. This is called Loop Community Prime, and this is an app for iOS. So it's an Apple app for you can use for your iPhone or iPad, or you can even use it for a MacBook Pro or whatever you have like that. But I downloaded the app from the App Store, and then it brought it up here. And so now this is the app. It's free. And so this is cool because we can say we want to have a metronome that we play to for a song. Well, we can do that right here. So I've created 3 metronome tracks right here. The first is Come Now Is the Time to Worship, and it's in 98 beats per minute. Then we have All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name in 114 beats a minute, and May the Peoples Praise You at 112 beats per minute. So this is pretty cool. So let's say we want to add another song, and let's just call it, we'll say we want to add a click track, and we want to say it's kind of slower, so maybe we'll put it at about 70 beats per minute. And then we want to do it in 4/4 time. We can even change the sound of the metronome to be like a digital or a beep or marimba or rim, or just the default. I'm going to keep it on the default for now. And then I'm going to come over here and press done. And oops, it says that I have to add a name. Okay, I'll just call this Build My Life. Okay, and then I will come and press done. So now I have down here Build My Life. Now if I want to edit these, I can go in here, edit set list, and I can come over here and I can drag this and move Build My Life up there. I want to come back and put it back. I can do that. So I can move these all around. So I'm going to save the changes right here. Come in here, save the changes. So now this is ready to go. So I can simply, this is, the congregation will not hear this click track. This is just for instrumentalists so that they can play to a metronome and make their sets a little bit cleaner. You can adjust the master volume. You can even come in here and adjust like how much volume is on your click track. So if it's too loud in the master, you can take that out of that. Or excuse me, not in the master, but in the particular channel. In this case, we have it going into channel 9, and I'm going to show you how this is working. So I have this currently in a 3.5 millimeter jack stereo, and that's coming out of here, and it's going into this radial stereo direct box. So I have this black one and this red one. This black one is the tip, and that's going in the left channel input, and then I have the right one going into the ring, a tip and ring. You'll see ring. And I think this one says tip. Yep, tip right there. So those are going in, and then they will separate and go out into different channels. So the left channel will go out into channel 9 on our digital snake, and then channel 10 will go in, or excuse me, this right one will go into channel 10. And the left one we have designated as click. And you just put it in there, and then you bring down the volume all the way in the house on the fader. You bring down that volume, that fader volume, all the way down, but still have it unmuted so that we can hear it in our ears. And then in channel 10, we have it going for stems. So if you wanted to put stems or loops into the Prime app, say in all of these other channels, you could designate like a if you didn't have a bass player, a bass guitar here, or you didn't have an acoustic player, you could put acoustic here, or maybe you wanted to put a violin player but you don't have one. Well, you could do that by doing a pre-programmed channel, and we can talk about that at another time. But for today, we just want to talk about the click tracks, how to set that up, and how to tighten up our mix for our worship sets. I hope this helps.